What's up, y'all? What it do? Welcome back. This is a handmade wig that I just made. So sit back, relax, and watch me work. Let's go. You guys, welcome back, welcome back, And today I am hand making a wig. These are the caps that I use. And the hair I am using today is from the hair zone. It used to be the weave spot, but no, they changed it to the weave zone. Yes. And this is the closure that I'm using. I forgot the inches, but yes, this is the hair that I'm using. Just soft. The wealth is really good on the bundle. I like the hair, and let's go. Okay, so here I'm positioning my closure, trying to make sure I have a good fit. You need to put it 2 inches above the cap. That way so it can have a good fit. That way so it won't be too bulged. I like to spread it out, make sure it's all even on both sides. And there you go. Just make sure it's even. Make sure you got your pins, your T-pins. You definitely need those to help secure your closure down. Okay, so as you can see here, I have already sewn down one side of my closure. I like to stop at one point and go to the other side, so it could be even out, balanced out. You know, that's how I like to do it. I like to meet up at the back, therefore both sides can be even. And as you can see here, that's what I'm doing. All right, honey, so both sides are sewn down, and as you can see, we only have the back to sew, so I like to meet it together in the back, each side, that way so I know both sides have the same tension. It works for me. Hopefully it works for you guys. So just, you know, see this technique. If not, you know, it's all good. It's all you, baby. We do. Okay, honey, so we is wrapping up. Both sides are matte, and as you can see, you have to double knot. I love to double knot my when I'm closing it out. Therefore, I make sure it's a nice stitch. But look at this, yes, nice and clean. So here I am starting with the first bundle. And y'all know I like to dance, honey. Yes, hair just makes me just, oh my God, just, I don't know, I just love hair, you guys. I was born with this gift. I just love hair. If you guys want me to do a tell story, my story, a little bit about me, just comment below and just let me know if you guys want to know a little bit more about me. So yes. But anyway, so here I like to start in the back with my first bundle. Therefore, it gives me even out through the side. I like to go back and forth, back and forth. But you guys can see throughout the video, I'm not gonna talk as much, but I'm checking back and forth, back and forth. But let's go. Okay, so here the reason why I love to split my tracks when I get to the corner, like the temple, by the ears, anywhere around the hairline, is because so it can not be as bulky. You don't want once you either like kind of put it up or once you filling your hair, you don't want it to be bulky on the side. So I found that technique to separate the bundle once I get to the sides, so therefore it won't be as bulky. And you have to make sure you use your thumb or your index finger once you flip the hair back to lay that weft down flat to the head. That way, so it will be flat. So hopefully it works for you guys. Yes, honey. So we is almost through with this thing. We is on our second bundle. And as you can see, I am double stitching. I am double knotting, okay? You guys want to make sure that you double knot. Because you never know what your client do when they go home, honey. They might not take this wig off at all. Do you hear me? For they man. They probably sleep in this wig. They probably work out, do everything in this wig. So you just want to make sure that the tracks are sewn down. The widths are all the way down to that cap, honey. Without putting too much of attention, but the right tension, just to make sure it is all the way down, honey, because you never know. Hey, but yes, you want to make sure. That's all I'm saying, ladies. You don't want them to call you back for none of that. You want to make sure they just call you back, say, hey, my man love my wig, I love my wig. That's the only call back that I love, honey. When they call me back, telling me how much they man love it and how much they love it. So that is the goal. But here I am at the top. You don't stop, honey. I am closing this thing out, and I did cut the width, because at the top you don't want to have it so thick at the meeting the closure with the bundle, because it will show once the hair kind of fold over the track. It will be all bulged up if you have your bundles combined together. So what I do is I cut the bundle just to make sure it's just flat all the way around the width of that closure. Okay, so I am done with the making of the wig, and as you can see inside, it looks all nice and neat, and that's how you want it to look. And I also go back and add a strap elastic band just for extra security, honey, because honey, when the wind blow, you want to make sure the head snap. You want to make sure it's still on. Okay, so here I am finding my part, trying to decide how I want my part. My client wanted her part on the right side. She sent me a picture of how she wanted it. I did install this wig off camera and cut it. She wanted a bob, so I didn't do it on camera. The simple fact because I made this wig several days before her appointment. So yes, you can see the pictures at the end of the video, but that's what I did. I cut this wig into a bob and waved it out, honey. Yes, I did. So you guys, please make sure you comment below, like, subscribe, and please hit the notification button to check up on me, honey. And as you can see, you can get that video as soon as I make it by clicking that bell, baby. Please just do that for me. Support me. I support you back. Let's go. 2020, we going up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I appreciate you guys so much, and we going up. Let's go.
Won't take days off, we go so hard until we fall. Won't take no loss, won't take days off.